Hey everybody, it's Dan Williams from Finished Basements NJ. We're going to walk you through an amazing basement with a golf simulator, arcade, a lot of custom built-ins, and we really are excited about this project. We hope you follow with us here on this beginning stages of this project. So as we come down the stairs, which we opened up involving restructuring the whole underside of the house, you have a great open view to an open area on the right, which is going to be a wall of built-ins, which these customers are great. They have an amazing view for detail and design, and they really have a lot of special items that they wanted to showcase. So we're actually going to build a series of built-ins with hidden bookshelf doors to get to storage areas that are going to house a ton of model trains. In the middle of those built-ins are actually going to be custom doors that will be train themed. Some of this is still in the design process, but we're really excited about all these ideas that we really feel are going to be implemented as well. So those train doors will be pocket doors, much like a train would have, which slide into the wall instead of having hinges on the exterior. Those doors are going to actually lead into a train room. This basement also includes a gym, which will have glass French doors and windows on the exterior. On the interior, we're actually planning on doing some wainscoting trim, and on the upper portion having a mirrored wall. On that mirrored wall will actually be a hidden door that's going to encompass the gas lines to the house, so you won't even know that they're there. On the outside of the gym will be an arcade area. The customer is actually going to include 2 skee ball units and possibly an air hockey table in the center. That's actually going to be a nice feature in the middle of the basement, basically, where a lot of people will congregate. To the side of that arcade is going to be a custom-built kitchen, which is actually going to house a stove, a full refrigerator, and going to include custom cabinets, all hand-built, and an island that will have a beautiful blue blue granite countertop, along with some exterior reclaimed wood on that island. So we're really excited about that whole area. As you transition from the kitchen, we're also going to have a side room that's going to be used possibly as a guest room at certain points, and then just a useful space at other times. So this basement's bathroom is going to include a stackable washer dryer, and also a custom-made vanity, which will be a 4-foot vanity. The customers also requested a separate room for the toilet, so we've implemented that, as well as a relatively large shower, which could end up being a steam shower. We're still in the phase of designing and pricing that out for the customer, so we're not sure ultimately what it'll be at this stage, but we're hoping that'll be the direction we go. We also wanted to talk about the plumbing that went on in this basement. Not only the plumbing that's involved with the kitchen and the bathroom, but also you'll see in a lot of these videos, a lot of these pipes are marked with yellow tape, and that's because those pipes are going to be relocated into a better area that will help the design instead of hinder the design. So that's something we implement in a lot of our basements, and it really sets us apart to put that extra effort into moving things instead of just working around them. The focal point of this basement that everyone's excited about, which is the golf simulator. I'm actually standing in this area right now. I think our prior videos showcased the dig out, which is about 3 foot from the normal grade of the slab in this basement. And you can see behind me that we've actually started to build the platform, which is going to house all the seating. And then you also see the half walls, which is going to increase the seating capacity in this area, which actually on the exterior we're going to be putting reclaimed wood that will match the kitchen island that we spoke about, and also reclaimed wood on the countertop. So we're again in the design process, but the customer is actually very interested in implementing a train track as the footrest for the outside of the bar. So we're really hoping that that's going to happen as well. So we're really excited, and we're glad that you took the time to watch these beginning stages. We know they're not very flashy, but they're really important to us. And we really put a lot of thought and time, and all the subcontractors do as well. So we want to show you that and to make sure that you're aware of what we put into these projects. And we hope you keep in contact with this video especially, and the projects to come. So thank you very much.
you.